Did you know that one of the best-kept secrets for growing long, luscious hair might be hiding in plain sight in your local grocery store's produce section? It's not some expensive, exotic oil or a chemically engineered serum. It's a humble, sweet, and fragrant tropical fruit, the guava. While many of us have enjoyed its unique taste in juices or as a fresh snack, very few realize its incredible potential to transform hair health from the inside out and the outside in. This isn't just a new trend. It's a time-tested remedy that cultures in tropical regions have used for generations to support strong, resilient hair growth. So, what exactly makes guava such a powerhouse for your hair? It all comes down to its incredible concentration of key nutrients. First and foremost, guava is famously loaded with vitamin C. In fact, it contains about 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. This is critically important because vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, the protein that gives your hair its strength and structure. When your collagen production is high, your hair strands are more resilient and less likely to snap or split. This potent antioxidant also helps protect your hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Guava leaves, in particular, are a treasure trove of other powerful compounds. They are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, lycopene, and flavonoids. These compounds act as a protective shield for your hair and scalp. Now that you understand the science, let's get practical. One of the easiest and most effective ways to use guava for your hair is by creating a simple hair rinse from its leaves. All you need is a handful of fresh guava leaves and some water. First, take about 15 to 20 fresh guava leaves and rinse them thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, add the leaves to a medium-sized pot with about 1 liter or 4 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let the leaves simmer in the water for about 20 minutes. During this time, you'll notice the water changing color. Once it's cool, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth. You can pour this liquid into a spray bottle or a squeeze bottle for easy application. To use your guava leaf rinse, start by washing and conditioning your hair as you normally would. Now, liberally spritz or pour the guava leaf rinse all over your scalp, making sure to cover every area. If your hair is feeling particularly dry, damaged, or just in need of some extra love, a deep conditioning guava hair mask is the perfect solution. This treatment combines the power of guava with other nourishing ingredients. To create this nourishing mask, you will need 1 ripe guava, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Place the guava chunks into a blender. Add the coconut oil and the honey. Blend all the ingredients together until you have a completely smooth, creamy paste with no lumps. Before applying the mask, make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. You can section your hair into 4 or more parts. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the guava hair mask generously to each section. After you've applied the mask, pile your hair on top of your head and cover it with a shower cap or a warm towel. While applying guava topically is incredibly beneficial, you can supercharge your results by also incorporating this amazing fruit into your diet. True, lasting hair health starts from within. There are so many delicious and easy ways to add guava to your daily meals. One of the simplest methods is to eat it fresh. You can also chop it up and add it to your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or a fresh fruit salad for a tropical twist. For a quick and nutrient-packed breakfast or post-workout snack, blend fresh or frozen guava into your favorite smoothie. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Guava can be used to make delicious and healthy jams. You can also create a refreshing guava agua fresca by blending the fruit with water and a touch of natural sweetener. In some cuisines, unripe guava is even used in savory dishes, adding a unique, tangy crunch to salads or salsas. In a world saturated with complex chemical formulas and expensive treatments that often overpromise and underdeliver, there is a profound power in returning to nature. Embracing simple, wholesome ingredients like guava is not about chasing a fleeting trend. Your body, including your hair, has an innate ability to heal and thrive when given the right natural tools. Think of your hair care journey as a partnership with your body. So I encourage you to step into your kitchen and give these guava secrets a try. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and watch as your hair transforms, reflecting the vibrant health and natural beauty that comes from within. Your healthiest, most beautiful hair is not found in a bottle of expensive chemicals. It's waiting for you in nature.